Oh, hey, agent.
Hello?
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 Alright, just tell me when to start the movie. I got it queued up here.
Cool, cool, cool.
We'll just finish this up this round quick and then we will hop on in.
Hell yeah. Oh. Oh.
They've both been birded. Fun fact, you can hop into a locker to get rid of the birds very fast.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
Wow. Agent the Lifesaver. You missed this time, ho. There's a whole bunch of Megs in here.
This place full of Megs.
There's something wrong with Megs?
It's just
Megs,
the
get
last
jobs
time.
done.
The last time we were in a thing full of Megs, they sandbagged me.
Marlon was a former Meg main.
That's true.
I also used to be a Meg main, if you remember.
We all used to be Meg mains. Maybe not Agent, though. Agent was a Claudette main.
Yeah. I grew out of it.
We all did.
I don't know who Meg is, but I thought you guys were just saying Mega Man. Like, really weird.
Hell yeah. Mega Man mains. We love to see it.
She's coming.
I love how she keeps throwing birds at me, but she never shows up. Gonna sneeze. Gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I wanna sneeze.
Oh my god, this Meg wasn't you, Pip?
No,
Whoa.
I have leader. Did that other
Damn.
Meg have leader?
No, she improved thyself though, so I thought.
Hmm. Close, but no dice. She nearby.
You could never be me.
Do I look for the totem, or do I try and flashlight save? Oh. Well, that's awkward.
I'm over by the Meg. To Jen's.
Alright. Doing this, Jen.
I'm just waiting for her to leave.
Fair enough, fair enough. Bitch, where?
Oh, okay. I thought that would be hit by the barrel, but it was not.
Hit me! Hit me!
A spicy try.
I did try.
She's
Get
coming to
out of
that
here,
Jen.
I'm running.
Where's the other?
How do you know?
Oh, there
How
she
do you
is.
know, ma'am? How do you keep looking straight at me, ma'am? How do you know? How do you know? Please.
She's come.
Why'd you go inside the house? Why did you go directly inside the house?
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine in the house. Obviously.
She missed you. I think.
I see friend.
Hey, friend, let's look for a totem. Then we can heal real fast. I might just have to heal you though.
Yeah, let's have a healing party.
Oh shit.
I hear a totem.
You hear a totem?
Yeah,
Marlin,
Hear it.
bless me.
exactly. Just like that.
Oh, I don't like that.
Whoops.
It's a new perk. Ma!
You heard of the killer
Why
perk
me?
whisper? Get off of me, you birds.
Yeah, it's like whispers, but for totems. Oh, ma'am! Leave me alone. Do you think she's gonna look into the locker?
Maybe.
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look for you.
Is she looking into the locker?
No.
Agent, are you working on a generator?
No, I'm being chased by the killer.
She definitely just found you. Oh.
I don't know what this other person's doing.
Me?
No, not you.
Oh, because I'm doing absolutely nothing. Sorry. I apologize. I'm on this jet now with you.
Okay, cool.
I have to make it up. And then I have to be on the lookout.
Oh wait, that's
no
not
way. Oh, that's not you?
wrong.
Aw. I thought prove thyself was leader, but it's not.
Yeah.
I know, we're trash. What can we say?
Oh. Get away from this door, Agent.
I'll try.
I'm just gonna keep an eye out for a totem. A lit totem. Any lit totems out here?
Sorry, Agent. Head back.
Okay, she's aiming birds at me.
Alright, I'm gonna come take a head.
I'm coming towards the shack.
Woo!
Agent, you're gonna have to come back if you want us to take a hit.
I'm at the shack door with Meg.
Okay.
Okay, she's at that door that Pip opened, I think.
Yeah.
I'm safe.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just getting healed by Meg. Are you guys safe?
I was chased outside.
We're good.
I was really worried there. She had no end.
We've been
But
hurt
she's
by it
agent,
before.
so-